Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Bears sleep in caves all cozy and deep, dreaming of honey while snuggled in sleep. Owls rest in trees where branches sway. They hoot in the night and sleep in the day. Fish swim in rivers, in oceans they glide. Their home is the water, so wide and so wide. Ants march in tunnels, busy all day, building their homes in the soil and clay. Birds build their nests all fluffy and round, high up in trees where safety is found. Bees buzz in hives, making honey so sweet. Working together, their job is complete. Moles dig in burrows, hidden from sight. They pop out at morning, then vanish at night. Frogs sit on lilies, in ponds they stay, hopping and croaking the whole sunny day. Spiders weave webs that shimmer and glow, catching small insects wherever they go. Lions rest proudly in grasslands so wide. Their family, the pride, stays close by their side. Penguins huddle where icebergs gleam, sliding on snow in a frosty dream. Monkeys swing high in the tall green trees, laughing and playing in the jungle breeze. Turtles find homes in shells they wear. Their houses travel with them everywhere. Kangaroos bounce with pouches so neat. Their babies ride snug as they hop on their feet. Horses live safely in stables and barns, running through fields and wide open farms. Elephants wander where rivers flow, in forests and grasslands together they go. Squirrels build nests made of twigs and leaves, high in the branches among the trees. Foxes curl up in dens underground, quiet and hidden, safe and sound.